Today is my birthday. Because it's my birthday, I want to give each of you a present. If you want to give me a present, you could always like, subscribe, or comment. Anyway, the gift's not really from me. It's not really regifting either, but let me show you what I mean. If you're looking for a CRM, and if you're in business, you probably should have a CRM, you can get this one for free forever. Sounds awesome, right? Well, let me go ahead and show you how to take advantage of this. First, go to odoo.com/trial. Now there's a ton of other awesomeness with ODOO, but don't get distracted. We're only here for the free CRM. So let's scroll down and we're going to click on CRM, and you can see we get this free with unlimited users forever. Let's click continue. Now we're going to go through and fill out this information. The most important thing here, other than your email address, is going to be your company name. So I'm going to do ODOO it yourself free CRM. And you can see the reason it's important is because we end up with a URL here that's that company name.odoo.com. You can mess with that a bit if you want to, but generally speaking, we can just stick with that there. I'm not going to put in a phone number right now. Country's great, language is great, company size is pretty tiny right now, and I'm going to use this in my company. And let's go ahead and click start now. So now you get some exciting fireworks going on, and a couple different messages, which we don't need to really worry about for right now. Now that all the fireworks have died down, we can go and activate our new CRM. You should be seeing an email a lot like this. Go ahead and click to activate your database. Let's go ahead and go back into our CRM here, refresh, and you see we're nice and clean now. So now you have a totally free, fully functional CRM that you can use as long as you want with as many users as you want. Not a bad party favor, huh? There's a ton more to ODOO, and if you want to find out more about it, go ahead and check out the rest of my channel. But hope you enjoy your free CRM.